everyone, I'm Georgia from Georgia's Shenanigans. Thanks very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bar necklace. It's a little bit hard to hold it up. It's just made with glass beads and little stainless steel balls. And I've also used this thick stainless steel chain. I think it looks quite good on the bar necklace. But anyway, let's get into the video showing you how to make this. If you're interested in making this necklace or buying this necklace that I'm wearing now, I'll put a link in the top corner somewhere towards the end of the video. So I hope you watch to the end, and thanks very much for visiting, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks very much. Okay, so here we are with all the bits and pieces. You need some beads. These are they're just glass. They're just an irregular shaped flat bead. We've got some little stainless steel balls, a piece of stainless steel wire, jump rings, a stainless steel clasp, stainless steel chain. It's a nice, thick, heavy chain. The only thing with dealing with chain like this is cutting it. So believe me, you're better off to sit there and be patient and just pull it apart and separate it that way. Otherwise you're going to probably mess up your wire cutters if you try and cut it. So to begin, we're going to do a wire wrap. Now there's a little kink in the wire there, so I'm going to do it right on that just to get rid of it. Now this is stainless steel wire, so it's very strong, very hard. Sorry, my voice is a bit bad today. I've not been well this week. So grab your wire with your round nose pliers, wrap it over, and then wrap it right around. This wire is about a 20 gauge, 22 gauge. You don't need it really any thicker than that. So open up your loop, pop your chain on there, close up your loop if you can. Grab hold of it nice and tight with your needle nose pliers. And now we're going to wrap. So you can wrap with your fingers or you can use a pair of pliers. We don't need too many wraps. Okay, so that's what we've got now. So now we're going to trim this off. Now I'm going to use this old pair of cutters. Hopefully they'll cut it. You should use memory wire cutters for stainless steel wire. It's very hard to get in close with them. So that's nice and close. This is the easy end, mind you. Just make sure you haven't got any sharp bits sticking out. Yep, that feels fine. Okay, so now you want to thread on your beads. Oh, I'm all thumbs today. This is my second video today, and I was thumbs in the first one too. Okay, so there we have it. That's what we've got so far. We've got our chain attached to one end. We've got our beads on the wire. And now we're going to do a loop on this end so we can wire wrap this end. So you want to just grab your wire at the top of your beads, bend it over, grab your round nose, hang on to your wire nice and tight, wrap it over, turn your pliers. Now, as I said, because this is stainless steel wire, it's quite hard. A lot of people don't use stainless steel wire purely for that reason, because it's hard. I prefer to use the stainless steel. Open that up just a little bit, grab our other piece of chain, pop it onto the loop, close up the loop if you can. Grab hold of it nice and tight and wrap it. I think I had way more wire than I needed, but I like to make sure I've got plenty. Cut off the tail. Now you want to tuck it all in. When you're tucking in too, it's a good idea to go around all of your wraps. It just helps to tighten it up and make them all nice and straight. Yep, that's good. Now we need to make sure that our loops are going the same way. This one's maybe not quite. Okay, now it's sitting nice and flat. So now we need to attach our toggle. Grab a jump ring. Sorry, my voice is a bit dodgy today. I haven't been well this week. Soldiered on, but kind of gets to you after a while. So we're going to pop that on and pop that on. Close up the jump ring. And then our other end. Now, I often put 2 jump rings, but I don't know if I'm going to need to with this chain. Let's just see how it sits. I don't mind if it sits that way or if it sits that way, but it's when it sits like that that I don't like. So if it's straight, then that's fine. Okay, there you have it. One necklace. I think it's really nice. I like the balance of the bar at the bottom with the thicker decorative chain. So I hope you like it too. This will be available in my store for sale on Etsy or on eBay. So there you have it. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much.